You can try out a free self-directed video game design lesson from UME Academy. Step 1. Using a laptop or a computer with a mouse, go to UME.Games. Step 2. Click on the Join Now button and create a username. Step 3. Navigate to the Learn page. That's the one with the little light bulb. Then scroll down to the Intro to Game Making lesson. This is a free lesson that you can access without a subscription or a creator membership. Step 4. Click the View button. This will give you more information about the project, including an instructional video. Click the Start Project button. This will launch the project in a separate window. It will take a few minutes to load, but once you see pictures of cats using keyboards, then you know you're well on your way. Step 5. Work your way through the project while you follow the instructional video. If you have 2 monitors, you can watch the video and work on the project side by side. If not, you'll have to switch back and forth between the 2 tabs. Step 6. When you're finished, click the red Save and Close button. Then choose Go to My Game. It will take a few minutes for your project to finalize, but once it's done, you can choose Edit My Game, where you can personalize your game description and also copy a playable game link that you can share with your friends and family. Before you leave, make sure you scroll over the 3 lines in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This will display your username and password. You'll need to record this information if you want to come back later and access your game. At any time, you can return to UME.Games and keep working on your project. Just go to the Make page, that's the one with the little hammer, and choose Edit Game next to your project. This will relaunch your project so that you can edit, improve, or expand your game. We hope you enjoy creating a game with this free lesson. If you'd like more information, please visit us at UME.Academy.